Alright guys, this is a video of me taking off this bolt. There was a piece right here and this is stripped, so I couldn't get to this top bolt because I basically rounded it. So not to worry that it's broken, I have a brand new distributor right there. So to get that off, I purchased this kit. This is a 6-piece bolt out kit from Craftsman. Bought it for about under $20 delivered, and worth it. So if you ever have a stripped bolt, rounded, can't get it off, Craftsman's. There's another company called Irving, they make it. Heard it's pretty good, but I like Craftsman. I'm a Craftsman's guy, so I like Craftsman because they have lifetime warranty. Even though I think this kit does not have lifetime warranty, but most of their tools do have lifetime warranty. So all I did was, where's my ratchet? Took this, put it on there, hammered it on there, and I hammered this onto there about, a couple of good hits, and this thing came right off. I think it's loose. Let me show you guys that. So you can see the bolt came loose. I have tried WD-40 for the past 2 days, PB Blast for the past 2 days. I called the shop, they wanted like $100 to take this bolt off. So did some research, found this kit, pretty helpful. Here's the bolt. As you can see, it is pretty rounded, even though it had the Phillips head. Even tried that with a pair of pliers at the same time, didn't work. Came right out with this, the Craftsman's bolt out 6-piece set. They have a 5-piece set, but this is the one I needed because this is a 12mm bolt. I hope this was helpful. Get this, it's a lifesaver. It was for me. I have another one, the 5-piece as well. I was gonna return it, but I don't know, I might just keep it because it took that bolt right out. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that.